Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anirudh and in this JavaScript tutorial I will show you how to create parallax effect. Here I will write the basic custom JavaScript code and I will try to explain very easy way so you can easily understand like how parallax effect works. Before starting this video, I will show you like what I'm trying to do in this video. And here if you don't know what is parallax effect, so guys I want to tell you like parallax effect means some effect come on scroll. Okay, so if I scroll this page, so some effect will come, so that is actually parallax effect. Okay, so now here I will show you the demo like what I'm trying to in this video. So if I scroll this page, here you can see two images appeared. Okay, so left side image scrolling perfectly like default how it scroll, but right side image if you notice it is like shaking and like it is moving. When I'm scrolling up, it is moving to the downside. You can see slowly moving to the downside. You can see here, right? If I scroll again like this, so you can moving up this right side image. So that is actually parallax effect. So this way you can add different types of parallax effect. Okay, here I have added two images, but you can use the background image as well, anything. But first you have to understand the logic, right? How we write the code and how it works. So if you want to understand the logic, you can add different kind of parallax effect. So this is actually parallax effect. If you understand, then I will move to the Visual Studio Code Editor and I will start to write the code. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, or else you can connect with me Insta ID. You will get the Insta ID in description. Okay, but first I write the comment section like if you have any doubt. So now I will move to the Visual Studio Code Editor. So guys, here I have opened Visual Studio Code Editor. If you don't have Visual Studio Code Editor, either you can open any other editor or you can install Visual Studio Code Editor. Okay, and inside this editor I have opened my project already. You can see this is the project name JavaScript, and here is the CSS file. Inside this CSS folder, inside this folder here I have one style.css file, images. So inside this images folder I have two images whatever I have shown in the preview. So those two images I have an index.html file. So this is basic HTML and I'm assuming you know the basic HTML. Okay, if you don't have any idea, then also I have shown you the structure, so you can create the same. And now guys, here I have opened index.html and style.css file. So this is external CSS file, so that link I have added here. Okay, and this is for the responsive purpose because this one it is not required in this video because here I'm not showing the responsive. Responsive means like when we open any site in any device, so it doesn't break, right? So that is actually responsive, so I'm not showing in this video. So this one it is not required, but I have added. Okay, and this is the title. So very basic HTML I have added here. Now I will start to write the code. Okay, so first of all here I will write one section class name I will write Parallax. Okay, so now inside this section I will write one class container. Okay, so this is the container. Inside this container I will write our code. Actually those are not mandatory. Okay, means if you are creating parallax effect, those things are not mandatory, but just for some styling purpose I'm adding. Okay, so now here I will come to the style.css and first of all body tag. Okay, body tag means this body tag when we write in HTML, so it comes with default padding and margin. Okay, so here I want to remove that default padding and margin. So what I will do, just simply padding 0 and margin also 0. So means default padding and margin I have added like 0. So now it is no padding in the body tag. Okay, now here container class. So here first is Parallax. Okay, so this is the parent class, so I will take the reference. Okay, so Parallax, and inside this Parallax there is container class. So now I will add container. Okay, means I have maintained one hierarchy. Means suppose this container it is here also, so that time the CSS what I will write here, so that CSS will not be affected here because I maintain the hierarchy. Means first of all I have just declared like inside this Parallax class whatever the container class that will be affected. Means this container class not inside Parallax, but this container class inside Parallax class. so only that container will be affected. So that's why hierarchy is very important. And guys, here I'm trying to explain everything because I already said like this video like if don't have any idea anyone, so they can also watch this video. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to explain everything. And don't skip this video like if you think like you have idea on those kind of thing, but I'll say you just watch but don't skip. Okay, now here inside this container, first I will create the left image. Okay, in the preview I have shown there is two images, one is left and another is right side image. So left image, I will write left image, the class name. Okay, by the way, those class name are custom class. Okay, you can, if you want, you can change, because here you can see I'm not using any plugin like Bootstrap or anything. So those are the custom class. So this is, if you want, you can change it. Okay, not an issue. So inside this left image here I will just add my image. So image source and dot slash, I will just take the images folder. Just a minute, images folder, and inside this images folder this bg2 image I will add. And now I will write the alter tag. Alter tag is it is for SEO purpose, like if those image path is wrong, so that time the alter tag name will display and it help to SEO. Okay, so here I will write, and inside this alter tag what you will write, just simply write the description of your image. Okay, so here you can write your description. Here simply I will write like image 2. Okay, this is done, and now I will write some CSS for this left side image. Okay, so now guys, here I'll copy this left image and I'll come to CSS and just here I will paste. Okay, and I'll maintain the hierarchy, so I will add here. And guys, here I forgot one thing, like this container class I have added, but I forgot to add the CSS property. Okay, so now if I add, like if I save and this one also save, and if I come to this Chrome, I mean in our preview, so here you can see image is added, but it is coming from left side. Okay, but I want to add some space in left and right. Okay, because it will look something better. Okay, so that's why I have added container. So here I will add CSS property, that is padding. So top 0 and left and right is 5%, like this. So now if I save, so you can notice like it will come some space in the left and also right side no content, so you cannot understand, but here it's added some space. Okay, so now this left image I will add the CSS property. Okay, so here I will add width is 50%. Okay, and here I will add position is relative. So why I'm writing position relative, that I will explain, but here with 50% means I guess you understand, right? So here this left image, there is div, inside this div this image is coming, right? So this left side width I have added 50%, and now here I will copy the same thing and I will paste here. And if you notice this, inside this left image here I have the image. Okay, so I will copy this image tag and I will paste here. Okay, so here I haven't written any dot sign because this is tag name. Okay, so no need to write dot sign. So here I will add width is 100% and height is 100%. Now again if I refresh, so you can see it is coming like that. Okay, so this is done, and now I will add the right side image. Okay, so here actually this right side image with parallax effect. Okay, so what I will do, this class name you can write by the way any name, but I will write the class name is parallax image. Okay, and this one, and now here I will add the image. So image source dot slash images folder, and inside this images folder there is this image. Okay, and alter tag, here I will add the description of this image. So here I will write parallax image like this. Okay, so if I scroll, refresh, so image is coming here, but it is required here. Okay, I mean top of this left image. So that's why here I have written this one position relative, and this image that I will write absolute, because I want to add in top of this left side image. So which one will be bottom, that will be position relative, and which one will come top, that will be position absolute. Okay, so now here I will write position is absolute, and from top I will write 50% and left I will write 50%. Let's see how it will come. So see, it is coming here. Okay, now what I'll do, just simply I will add width. Width is 100% of this left image. Okay, so now it will come like this. And now here I will do another thing, that is transform translate. Okay, so then by using transform translate I can do it, means here if I write, you can understand, like when I will write this one. So 5% means it is left. Okay, left will be 5%, means this image you can use left property as well, and you can use this thing as well. Okay, but if you write the both, means it will take left side 50%, even it will take the left side also 5%. Okay, see, like this. If you notice this right side image, it is not middle of left side image, you can see. So when I will write this CSS property, so it will come to the middle, you can see it is coming to the middle, right? So that's why we use this CSS. Okay, and here see, I was telling you, like this left and transform translate both are same. So here you can do one thing, from here if you increase, so see it is also changing, right? But again if you keep it 5% and if you increase this one, so then also it is increasing, I mean this right side image also moving, right? So anything you can use. So same way here minus 50% means it is coming middle of this left side image. So same, if you can change this top position and you can adjust this also. Okay, but I will suggest anything you can use, means either top left property or else transform translate, but I will suggest you use both. Okay, both, and adjust your image or whatever, like if you are using deep, so you element anything you can adjust like this. So this is done. Okay, you can see it is coming. Just a minute, here I will add 80%, so it will come like this. Okay, so now guys, here it is scrolling up to that only, because here if you notice contents are very less. Content means here 2 images only, so these images sizes are up to here, so that's why it is scrolling up to here. So in this scroll I cannot show you the effect, so I need more scroll for this page. Okay, so what I'll do, I can increase the content, like here I can add another section, this class. Okay, and here I can write some content, so it will increase little bit. So see, again in the top it is content is added, so in the top little bit scroll increase, but here like this way I have to write too many contents. Okay, so I will not do that. So here what I will write, I will add one class name, like add scroll. Okay, and I will copy this class and I will come here and I will paste. Now here I will increase the height of this element 1000 pixel. So if you notice, I will save this also. So if you notice in the top, see, scroll increased up to 1000 pixel. So same way I'll just copy this one and here I will paste, means top and bottom both will add 1000 pixel. So see, top 1000 pixel, again bottom also 1000 pixel. So it is scrolling much, so I can show you the effect. So now I will move to the main part, which is JavaScript. Okay, so now here I will write script. Okay, so why I am writing script? Because this is JavaScript. So this JavaScript, I am not writing .js file. See, this is HTML, so I'm writing inside .html, index.html. It is CSS, so I'm writing inside .css file. But when I'm writing this JavaScript, I'm not writing inside .js file. If you write it in .js file, so no need to write script tag. But here I'm writing JavaScript inside HTML file, so that's why I have to denote, right, what I'm writing. I'm writing JavaScript, so that's why script tag. So inside the script tag, I'll start to write our code. So where animation item, okay, so this animation item, here I will write document dot first I will add one ID, okay, so this left ID, this left image. So here I will write one ID name is animation image. Okay, now I'll copy this ID name and just simply here I will write document dot get element by ID like this. Okay, means here this is document, actually this total page, it is called document. Okay, so from this document, okay, I'm taking this ID, so that's why document I'm getting, right, so get element by ID. So element means those are elements, so from this element I'm getting this ID. Okay, now where another variable name I will write Parallax. By the way, those variable name, ID name, class name you can write as per your choice. So this ID here I will write Parallax because this image I will move actually, so I will write Parallax. So now same way document dot get element by ID and this Parallax. Okay, so now here I will write on scroll method, because when I will scroll this page, so that time the effect will come, so that's why I have to write on scroll method. So I'm scrolling what? I'm scrolling this window, this is called window. Okay, so this window I'm scrolling, so here I will write window dot on scroll method. Okay, and this is on function, so equals to function and like this. So now if I console dot log and if I write scrolling, so let's see in the console I will get this one or not when I will scroll. So I will open console. See, while I'm scrolling, this text is coming, right? You can see it is increasing 71. You can see here how many time I'm scrolling, it is increasing, right? Means scrolling function working perfect. Now here just understand what we need to do. So first I will scroll top and I will explain. See, when I will scroll and this image will appear in our window. This is window, right? I already told you. So this image, this left side image, when it will appear our window, when it is appearing, when this bottom, this is window, so this one is the bottom window. Okay, so this bottom window and it is interacting with this top of this image. Okay, so when this bottom window, this top of this image will increase from this bottom window, so that time I have to add the effect. Okay, again I will scroll. Okay, again if you notice this bottom of this element, okay, this bottom of this element, if it is increased from top, okay, so that time I have to remove our effect, right? Because now the element it will hide. You can see it will hide. When it is hiding, once it is hiding in the from top, okay, means when I'm scrolling more, so it just going to the top, so it is hiding. And when it is this top of this element, it is coming in the bottom, so that time also it is hiding. So here we have to take 4 things. Okay, top of the window size, bottom of the window size, and top of this element and bottom of this element. So 4 things first of all it is required for this one, for this effect. Okay, so now what I'll do, First, I will write one variable. Variable name I will write top, because in this variable I will I will calculate this top of element size. Okay. So now here, if you are confusing and if you are thinking it is very difficult, so guys, here just follow the step. When you will practice by yourself, so you will notice it is very easy. Okay, so in this variable here, I will take this id, because I need this image, I mean this left side image top position. Okay, so animation item dot one JavaScript default method. So this one you have to remember, offset top. So by this I will get the top position of our element. Okay, element means here image. So console.log top element. Okay, now let's see what I will get in the console. I'll get the top of this element or not. So console is open. So now refresh. So I'm scrolling. See, I'm getting top element of this image. It means element. Okay, you can say it. And now here, same way, I'll write bottom element. Okay, so in this bottom element, it is very simple to get. So top, because bottom means, if you notice, from top to height. Okay, this image height, if I calculate from top size to this image height means it will end here. So this is bottom. Okay, so this way I can calculate, means top size, top position to height. Okay, so animation item, and for getting height, here is the JavaScript default method, that is offset height. Okay, so I'll get the bottom. Now I want to take the window top size. Okay, so I will write where screen top. Okay, now here I will write window dot page y offset. Okay, so that one only offset top when I want to get the elements, but when I want to get window, so that time page y offset top. Just you have to remember those things. Here I haven't added any logic yet. Okay, just you have to remember those things. So now here I will write bottom screen. Okay, just screen bottom. I will write screen bottom. Okay, now same I will calculate like from top of this window and height of this window. So here one JavaScript default method come inner height. Okay, so I got those things, four things. Okay, now I will write our condition. So if when, you have to understand now, when bottom screen will increase from top element. Okay, means here like this, bottom screen when it will increase from top element means our image will appear. Okay, so here I will have to write bottom screen bottom. Okay, so this is the variable. So when it will increase, okay, I will wrap it by another parenthesis. So when it will increase from top element. Okay, and okay, and when top screen means this one will less than from bottom element. Okay, means see, this is top screen. So now if I scroll like this way, so this image, it is partially hide but not properly hidden. Okay, means our bottom of this image still exist, I mean still in our window. Okay, so but when I will means this top of this window, it see the condition, top of the window it is less than from bottom of this element, because this top window it is less than from bottom means it is still visible, right? If I scroll more, so that time it will not visible, means this condition will suffer, means this screen top will increase from bottom element, means like this. So there is two kind of thing. If you have any doubt this condition, you can write in the comment section. First I will try to explain again. So this one I have wrapped another inside another parenthesis. And now else part means when it will hide, means our element won't be visible. Like it is visible, if I means it is now not visible, means else part. Same way, when I scroll top and not visible means again else part. When it will visible, it will come this if part. Okay, so now this is done. And now guys, here what I have to do in the else part, okay, and where I will add this animation, this parallax means this right side image. You can see I have taken an ID here. So here in the first else part, when it will not be visible, so here I will write style dot transform equals to, here what I will do, just simple this thing. Okay, this thing I will add, because see, when it is not visible, whatever CSS I have added, that I will add here. Okay, so here this sign I will add. This is called template literal. So this is comes after ES6 version, means JavaScript 6 version. Okay, so you will get this syntax in your keyboard just before one number key. If you notice, before one number key you will get this sign. Okay, there is the benefit of this sign that I will also show you. Okay, now here you have to write like this. Okay, so now if you notice, if I inspect, okay, if I inspect, and here I have added this inside this ID, so when it will not visible. So guys, here one thing I have written wrong, that is transform. Here I have added, again I have added this, but I have to remove this one. Okay, transform and then translate the property, I mean this CSS value. Okay, that I will add here, means when it will not visible. So you will notice, see, now if I scroll, see, it is coming, means not visible. Okay, but it is when it is visible, so that time it is not adding anything, because the if condition here I haven't anything, and this is the main thing, because when it will visible, that time I have to add the effect. So that effect how I will add, so here what I will do, just I will take another variable. Okay, so where, and now here I will write scroll count. Here I will add one calculation. Okay, so this calculation actually you can create by yourself, means when those image will be visible, so that time like how you want to move your image. Okay, so that calculation you can create by yourself. Okay, I'm writing my own calculation. So the calculation will be window dot page y offset. Okay, page y offset means you know the top position of the window. Okay, so from here I will add animation item dot offset top, means from element top position I have added minus. Okay, so now after that, here I will write plus window dot inner height. Here plus window dot inner height. Inner height means you know the height of this window. Okay, and when we add inner height plus this, so that time it will be the bottom position. Here I told you bottom element, so top position and height added means bottom. So here I have added height only. Okay, so now here I will add, I will multiply with 0.75. Again I am saying, don't be confused here. This is my own calculation, but if you want, you can write your calculation. Like this will be one number. Okay, this number will be increase and decrease. I will show you later. Okay, just I will write the calculation now. Animation item, then dot client height, or you can write offset height. Okay, offset height into 0.75. Okay, so this is one calculation I have added. You can see this the calculation. You can pause the video and you can add, or else you can write your own calculation. Again I am saying. Okay, now here if I console.log scroll count. Okay, scroll count means this variable. So when it will appear, so this scroll count variable will the value will come. Okay, so now I will open the console. Here the console, and now refresh. So now see, until it is not appearing, so the console it is not coming. Okay, when it will appear, see it is coming. So see, it is simple one number. Okay, I'm scrolling, it is simple one number like this. Okay, if I scroll up, so this number you can see it is decreasing. If I scroll down, this number is increasing. That you can see 192, 195. So simply one number. So this calculation you can add yourself. Okay, you can add by yourself as well. So now here I'll copy this thing. Okay, I'll copy and just simply this is for left side. Okay, I mean this right image from where it will come. So this is the left position, this 5%, but this top position I want to change when I will scroll, based on scroll. So this scroll count variable I'm getting some number. So just simply what I'll do, I'll remove this one and dollar curly braces. This is variable, right? So when I will add the variable, this is string number, static number, but this variable it is changeable. So when I will write anything which is changeable, so or else variable, so that time here we need to write this syntax dollar curly braces, and inside this curly braces like this. Okay, suppose if I add only this variable, let's see how it will work. I already said this is only number. Okay, so now if I refresh and if I scroll, so see it is like, see the animation effect you can see here, like it is moving too fast. So again for just making it slow, so what I will do, 0.15. okay, I will multiply it. This is again I'm saying this is simple calculation. Okay, this calculation it will denote like how your image will move. So like how you want, you can just write your own calculation. Okay, so now if I scroll, and now you can see this image moving slowly, you can see an effect, this effect is coming, right? Now if I, instead of 0.5, if I write 0.7, let's see how it will work. See, it is coming like this. Okay, so if you write 0.20, it will move more slowly. Okay, see it is moving more slowly. 20, you can check it, right? 40, okay, like this way you can check. So now I will add 0.15, so it will be perfect. You can see it is perfect. Okay, so this is called parallax effect. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you are the new in my channel, so please subscribe, and I'm going to bring basic JavaScript code, basic to advanced JavaScript code. So if you want to learn, you can just subscribe my channel, and if you enjoy this video, so please like this video and also share with your friends who is required like this kind of thing. You can share, or if you have any doubt, you can comment in the video section. Okay, so in the next video I will show you some new thing